Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily access your Booking.com account using the Booking.com mobile application. To access your account in Booking.com is super easy. Launch open Booking.com application on your device and make sure that you're inside this search page. Now, from the search page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Sign In. Go to the top and tap on Sign In or Register, and then select the sign-in options that you previously chose while creating an account for Booking.com. I created an account with email. If you created an account with any of these options at the top, that might be a Google, Apple, or Facebook option, make sure to choose the same there. Since I chose email, I'm gonna tap on Continue with Email and write down my email address. After doing that, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Go check your email inbox for a 6-digit verification code. Now, open up the email from Booking.com and copy the code inside it. Get back to the Booking.com app and paste it in or type it down manually. Now click Verify Email and you have successfully logged in and accessed your Booking.com account on your mobile device. Once you're signed in, you can now view your bookings, manage trips, save your favorite hotels, and so much more. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.